Welcome to the 8th Feast on the Farm at Lakeland College, presented by Cenovus.
Thanks for being here. It's really one of my favorite events that we put on here at Lakeland. The students you are supporting here tonight are the people who will be working alongside you in just a few short years, if not even sooner. They are future ag producers, accountants, electricians, nurses, social workers, counselors, power engineers, tradesmen, and designers. They're our future leaders.
I want to thank you for being here tonight. I want to thank you for supporting our students and their creative ambitions. We know that our students are innovators, and with your support, we get to watch them reap the rewards that a truly hands-on education provides.
Every egg show I went to, the people that I talked to, they said, man, you're going to Lakeland? That's awesome. So that was a huge drive for me to pick Lakeland. Was just reputation, was like people just talked about it.
Honestly, it gave me a chance to meet such amazing people, my mentors, all my instructors, and just find the industries that I really like.